Okay, so the figure below shows the graph of a function y equals f of x. Here's y equals f of x. That's this right here. Use this graph to sketch the graph of y equals negative f of x. So there's two kind of reflections we could be asked for here. Y equals f of negative x or y equals negative f of x. And different things happen with either of these two reflections here. So, what's really happening, right, is if I'm asked to produce y equals f of negative x, all that means is my points xy become negative xy. The x value changes. The x value is negated. For y equals negative f of x, my points xy become x negative y. It's the y value that's negated. That's the difference between these two. F of negative x, the x value is changing. As you can see, literally, y equals negative f of x, the y value is going to be changing for every single point. Another way that you can, so let's do this here, and then I'll generalize that some more. So for each of these coordinates, right? So for the point 2, 4, because I want negative f of x, the y value is going to change. So that point becomes 2, negative 4. 2, negative 4. The point 0, positive 2, the y value changes sign, so that's going to be 0, positive 2. 0, positive 2. Right? So these two, I can connect them. I'm trying my best. The point 4, negative 4, negative 2 becomes negative 4, positive 2. Somewhere around there. Negative 4, positive 2. And there's my new function. So you can see what happens. There was a reflection here over the x-axis. And you can imagine f of negative x would be a reflection over the y-axis. And that's what's happening. That's exactly what's happening here. So again, negative f of x, the y values are changing. The y values are changing sign. F of negative x, the x values are changing sign. And you can do that for every point that you see there.